Hello students, welcome to my channel. In this session, we will discuss a previous CAT question, a question on geometry. Here comes the question. Can you please make an attempt and then continue watching this? Right. In a circle, two parallel chords on the same side of a diameter have lengths 4 cm and 6 cm. If the distance between the chords is 1 cm, then the radius of the circle in centimeter is fine. Let's draw the diagram. Right. If you take this is the center O, let's say this is the diameter. Let me name it as AB. There are two parallel chords on the same side of a diameter. So let us say this is one chord CD and let's say there is another chord EF. There are two parallel chords. You know, when it is close to the center, it will have more length. When it goes far from the center, the length of the chord will decrease. So when you say 4 cm and 6 cm, this EF should be 4, this CD should be 6. Now we know a perpendicular drawn from center to the chord bisects the chord. If you draw a perpendicular from center to the chords, it will bisect the chord. A perpendicular will divide this into two equal portions. So if it is 4, it will be 2 and 2. If it is 6, it will be 3 and 3. Let's say it is bisecting these two chords at say P and Q respectively. What is this PQ? What is the distance between the two chords? 1. So this is 1. Now, if I join this OD, now OPD is a right angle triangle because we have right angle here. So OPD is a right angle triangle means OD square, hypotenuse square will be equal to side square plus side square. OP square plus PD square. What is this OD from center to any point on the circle? It is the radius. So let us say this OD is the radius R square. OP we don't know, let us say D. D square plus PD square, that is 3 square. This is one equation. We'll come back to that. Now if you look at this OF is also a radius. And if you look at OQF, this also is a right angle triangle because you have right angle here. So what we can say is OF square will be equal to OQ square plus QF square. OF is nothing but radius R square equals to OQ. What is OQ? We know OP is D and PQ is 1 means OQ is going to be D plus 1, D plus 1 whole square plus QF square. What is QF square? 2 square. This is second equation. Left hand side there are R square. So can we equate the right hand sides? If I equate it, D plus 1 whole square plus 2 square equals to D square plus 3 square. If I expand it, D square plus 2D plus 1 plus 4 equals to D square plus 9. Both sides we get D square gets cancelled. 2D equals to, this is 5, 5 goes other side, minus 5, 9 minus 5, 4. So we can get D equals to 2. Once D equals to, we need to find the radius of the circle. If I substitute any of these two equations, let's say I substitute it in the first equation, we said R square equals to D square. D is how much? 2 square plus 3 square. That is 9 plus 4, 13. If R square is 13, R equal to square root of 13 centimeters. So our answer is choice A. Here the basic point is the perpendicular drawn from center to the chord bisects the chord. If you know this, and then rest is just we are applying the Pythagoras theorem that we use in a right angle. Right? So answer is choice A. Thank you.